Happy morning children, welcome back to Shaper Group online class. Children, today we are going to write our English class work. Students, take 192 pages ruled English class work. Children, already we have written our first lesson. Today we are going to write our poem lesson. Children, come on, let's move to our class. Children, as we have taught you in early classes how to draw lines in your classwork. So take a fresh page, sharpen your pencil, take your scale and draw two lines. First line in the margin side and leave the second line and draw in the third line. Now we are going to, whenever we are writing our classwork, we have to insist the date. So in the margin side, mention the date with your blue stick pen, children. Now in the middle line we left over now, we are going to write the name of the poem. The poem name is My Robot. I am again insisting My Robot. My in M, you have to write M in capital, give a space, write robot spelling with a capital, starts with a capital letter and put brackets and mention in the bracket memory poem. Clear, children? My Robot memory poem. Now leave the line. We are going to start writing the poem. So whenever we are starting a poem or anything else, first letter should be in capital. So I am going to read it for you, children. Come on. I have a robot, big and strong, comma, big and strong, comma, big and strong, full stop. So whenever we are writing a sentence, we have to give the finger gap and write between each and every letter. So comma is very important in the poem, comma and full stop. So don't forget it, children. Write it neatly. After writing the first line, leave a line and start the second sentence with a capital letter. I am going to read the second line. Watch now how it walks along, comma, with a nice rhyming song, full stop. So after writing the second line, leave one line, start the third line. I have a robot, smart and tall, comma, smart and tall, comma, smart and tall, full stop. After writing this, again leave one line for your neat handwriting. Leave finger gap and write. Start the letter with a capital letter. Watch now how it welcomes all, comma, with a nice greeting call, full stop. Use only the blue stick pen, children, so that your fingers won't get harmed and your handwriting will look very neat using a stick pen. Now I am going to explain this poem. So I have a robot. Enkita or robot irukku which is big and strong. Big na enna perusa irukku, stronga valimaiya irukku. Big and strong, big and strong. Ennoda robot perusavum strongavum valimayavum irukku. Watch now how it walks along with a nice rhyming song. So நீங்கள் robots பார்த்திருக்கீங்களா? How it walks, நல்ல ஸ்டெப் போட்டு நடக்கும். அந்த ஸ்டெப் எப்படி இருக்கா? அந்த ஸ்டெப் சவுண்டு இட் லைக் அ ரைமிங் சாங். ஸோ அந்த ஸ்டெப்பை நீங்கள் அதை பார்க்கும் போது அந்த ஸ்டெப்பு வந்து நல்ல ஒரு ரைமிங் சவுண்டோட அது ஸ்டெப் போட்டு போகுதான். So watch now how it walks along with a nice rhyming song. Now I am going to need the next line. I have a robot, smart and tall, smart and tall, smart and tall. என்கிட்ட இருக்க ரோபோட் எப்படி இருக்கு? ஸ்மார்ட், அறிவாளியா இருக்கு. டால், நல்லா பெருசா இருக்கு. அறிவாளியாவும் பெருசாவும் இருக்கு. யாரோட ரோபோட்? என்னோட ரோபோட். Watch now how it welcomes all. with a nice greeting call. So when you go for a malls na poningna paathirpinga, some robots will welcome you with a good morning sir, have a nice day அப்படினு சொல்லி உங்களை வெல்கம் பண்ணும். That is called greetings. So greeting call ஓட உங்களை வெல்கம் பண்றத பார்க்கலாம். So again I am reading, children, come on, read along with me. Whenever you are writing your class work, you have to spell it and write. Okay children, then it will get into your mind and you will get a good memory power. So come on, spell it along with me and write. I have a robot, big and strong, comma, big and strong, comma, big and strong, full stop. While writing this sentence, you have to give a space. It will look your note neatly. Watch now how it walks along, comma, give a space with a nice rhyming song, full stop. I have a robot, smart and tall, comma, give a space, smart and tall, comma, smart and tall, full stop. Leave a line and again start it from the margin. Watch now how it welcomes all, comma, give a space with a nice greeting call, full stop. After finishing the poem, you have to sharpen your pencil and using a ruler draw a line. Students, now we are going to write the rhyming words. Take a fresh page. In the margin side, write the Roman number as 1. Match the rhyming words. So we are going to write 4 rhyming words today, children. Give a finger gap and write. After writing this, leave one line. And in the margin, continue writing the serial numbers from 1. So 1, tall, all. Before that, let me explain you what is rhyming words, children. If you see this word tall, all, how it sounds? It sounds the same, but the spellings are different. Rhyming words na sound வந்து ஒரே மாதிரி இருக்கும், ஆனால் அதோட spellings எப்படி இருக்கும்? டிஃப்ரெண்ட்டாக இருக்கும். Again I am repeating, tall, all, tall, all. Leave one line, children. Second one, song, along, song, along, song, along. After writing this, leave one line, children. Whenever you are writing, use first letter capital. It will look your handwriting neatly, and try to write in a cursive letter handwriting, children. Don't split it and write. Third one, rack, sack, rack, sack, rack, sack. Leave one line, children. Fourth one, rest, best, rest, best, rest, best. Clear, children? So you can, while reading this poem, you can able to know more and more rhyming words. After finishing this first Rome letter, children, sharpen your pencil, take your ruler, draw lines properly. Students, we are going to write our second Rome letter. Fill in the blanks. 4 numbers we are going to write, children. If you have a space below the second Rome letter, you can continue. Otherwise, take a fresh page. Use only blue stick pen, children. Don't scribble. Write neatly. After writing the fill in the blanks as a heading, leave one line, children. Now start the serial number in the margin. Write it as number 1. I have a robot, big and strong. So first letter should be in capital. Give sufficient finger space, and after finishing a sentence, keep full stop. Full stop is necessary for a completion of a sentence. Clear? So I have a robot, big and strong. I am going to spell the word strong. S-T-R-O-N-G, strong. Strong na enna valimaya. S-T-R-O-N-G, strong. After writing the word strong, underline the word with a pencil under scale. Now after writing this, leave one line, children. Write the serial number as 2 in the margin. Start with a capital letter. Now I am going to read the second one. I have a robot, smart and tall. Here the blanking word is smart. S-M-A-R-T. Smart. Buddhisali. Smart nana? Buddhisali. S-M-A-R-T. Smart. Underline the word, children, with your scale and pencil. Sharpen your pencil whenever it gets blunt, children, and don't forget to keep a full stop after completing a sentence. Now after writing, leave one line. Start the serial number 3 in the margin. It keeps the sack in every little rack. Full stop. It keeps the sack in every little rack. Rack. R-A-C-K. Rack. Rack means shelf or stand. Shelf is a stand. We can keep things in that rack. Okay. R-A-C-K. Rack. So underline this word, children. Leave a line. Write the 4 serial number in the margin. Start with the capital letter. Don't scribble. Spell it and write. It never takes food and rest. If you have a space, you can continue in the same line. Otherwise, continue in the next line. It never takes food and rest. Here in this 4th one, we are having 2 answers. Let me spell it. Food. F-O-O-D. Food. F-O-O-D. Food. Food na enama? Unavu. Rest. R-E-S-T. Rest. R-E-S-T. R-E-S-T. Rest. So underline this food and rest with your scale and pencil. After completing this room letter, check the spellings. Read and write, children. Spell it and write. Write neatly. After finishing this, draw a line with your scale and pencil to make this Roman letter completion. Now children, we are going to write the 3rd Roman letter. Answer the following 3 numbers we are going to write, children. So write neatly. We start from the first serial number in the margin. After writing the heading, leave one line. Write the serial number in the margin. Now I am going to read the question. What does it sing? Question mark. What does it sing? So keep finger gap and write. Start with the capital letter. After writing the question, leave one line, children, and in the margin side write answer. We are going to write the answer for the first question. Whenever we are writing the answer, remind it, children, you have to keep 2 finger gap. So after giving 2 finger gap to make your note neat, we have represent a small star here. You can draw it, and after writing the star with a pencil, you can start writing the answer. Start with a capital letter. It sings a song about robot. Full stop. Full stop is very necessary. Keep finger gap. It sings a song about robot. I am again repeating. What does it sing? It sings a song about robot. Clear, children? After writing this question, leave one line. Now in the margin, students, before starting the second question, you have to cover the line for this question with your scale and pencil. Don't draw in a free hand. It will look horrible. So make your note neat with your good handwriting. Now we proceed to the second question, children. How does it welcome all? Question mark. How does it welcome all? Question mark. After writing the question, leave one line, children. Write the answer in the margin. I think you remind what we have to do now. We have to give 2 finger gap. With your pencil, draw a small star to represent your answer. It welcomes all with nice greeting call. Full stop. Again I am repeating. It welcomes all with nice greeting call. Give finger gap and write. Spell it and write. Pronounce and write. After writing this, Draw a line with your scale and pencil. Sharpen your pencil whenever it gets blunt. Write the serial number 3 in the margin, children. Now we are going to write the third question. So start with a capital letter. I am going to read that question. How do the wheels go? Question mark. How do the wheels go? Question mark. After writing this, leave one line, children. And where we have to write the answer? Yes, you are right. We have to write the answer in the margin. Whenever we are starting our answer, what we have to do, children? Yes, we have to keep 2 finger gap with a pencil. Draw a little star and start writing with a capital letter. The wheels go front and back. Keep finger gap with each word. The wheels go front and back. So after writing the third question, at last you have to draw a line with your scale and pencil. And don't forget to write the parents and children and get your parents' hand, which is very compulsory. And don't scribble, use a pencil and scale to draw a line. Don't use your free hand. Children, I hope everyone remind what are the instructions I gave you now to write our English classwork. Write your classwork neatly, spell it and write. And thank you, children. Meet you in the next class. Bye.